Athletes conduct last-minute exercise ahead of the finals of the 2015 Athletics Championship. The training was held at the newly refurbished Banadir Stadium. Both men and women will compete here today in a stadium packed with enthusiastic sports lovers. The Somali Athletics Federation says this year they have recorded an increase in the number of athletes. A medical team from a local field hospital was also on standby.
It's a yearly event. This year we have more than 8 different teams participating. More than 200 candidates will take part in the championships being conducted by the Somali Athletics Federation.
It's the men 100 meters finals and athletes compete in the hot weather. 400 and 800 meters final follow the race, with women from different teams showing resilience under the tough weather. The climax of the event ended with the highly contested 1500 meters men's final. Ali Ido and Marian Muse were later crowned men and women champions respectively. Today marks the end of the 31st Athletics Championship. Underfunded and poorly trained for years, some of the runners here hope to represent the country not only in the All-African Games, but also in the Olympics. Ali Ido recently participated in the All-African Games and reached the semi-finals. He says with the right training environment, his aim is to place his country in the table standings at the 2016 Brazil Olympics.
I hope to become a professional runner in the future. Here we have good trainers, but the main challenge is poor facility, especially this training ground. It is my hope that we will have a better training ground for the Olympics, for instance, Ethiopia.
I have participated in a series of championships and I have just returned from the Congo, where I represented Somalia at the All-Africa Games. I participated in the 100, 200 and 400 meters and I brought pride to my nation.
This stadium was once a camp for the militant group, but the government is encouraging sporting activities in a sign that the city is slowly coming back to life. Abdulaziz Bilo, CCTV, Banadir Stadium, Mogadishu, Somalia.